He said, can I eat cake? She said, go sit. Go sit. Sit. What a real.
Sound it out again, please.
Okay. What the brother
With if.
with the owl cow?
Good job.
He said, no, I will not go. She said, go sit. Will
Sound it out again, honey. What's this sound?
the with
Good job.
what's wrong?
Right here, honey.
The cat. He said the cat. Oh,
It's okay. Sound it out.
has
Mm-hmm.
cake. She said, go sit with the cat and eat cake. She
You're okay. Sound it out.
so he ate cake. He said, this is fun.
Good job. You did it.
Tomorrow's lesson right there.
Do you need help? Let me see your crazy hair. Are you putting it on the wrong foot? You're doing a good job. I'll help you. Let me see your crazy hair first. Crazy hair. I love you.